Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. So today we are going to show you how to watch TV or any audio video device on your tablet. So we will use this easy capture device to view the TV content on our tab. So basically we have this Windows tablet. So we are going to connect this Windows tablet to watch the TV. So you can also use Android tablet for watching TV. So let's start. We have this easy capture device. So this device converts a composite input to a USB output. So you can buy this device from the link provided in the description. So this is easy capture device. We have this USB output, so you can connect to any laptop or tab or anything. So we have this input as RVG or composite input, and also we have this S video input. So we will use this to connect to our tablet. So also we have provided with a USB extension cord. You can use it if you want, and we are provided with a software CD and some paperwork in which key has been provided to activate this software. We will not use this software because this is not so good software. We are going to use Bandicam software. So as you can see, Bandicam software, it is available free. You can search it on Google and download for free. So we are going to use this software. So let's start connecting our device. So we have this easy capture device. We are going to connect the cable of our set-top box. So we are going to connect this to video, audio to audio. So as you can see, we are connecting this cable. So we have connected this. Now we need a USB OTG cable to connect this device to our tablet. So we are using this OTG cable. So we will put this cable in the easy capture device. Now we are going to connect to our tablet. So here we go. So you can see an LED light up there. So in this we will have to click this HDMI option. So when you click this, you will able to see. So we are going to hide the logo of the channel. I'm going to change the channel, and you will able to see all the contents. So basically you have to do some settings to watch this. So when you click this settings, you will able to see you have to select device AV2 USB 2.0, and you have to click on this option, use custom audio device, and select microphone AV2 USB 2.0 and click OK. So in this way you will be able to see the TV on your tablet. So if you want to see on full screen, you will be able to see when you click on this aspect ratio and 16:9. You have to select 16:9 to view in the full screen on the tablet. So do select the screen resolution for better quality. So you are seeing this in PIP mode, and we are going to show you some other channels by changing them. So as you can see, this is the live TV is working. So we are going to close it. If you like this device, you can buy it from the description provided in the video link. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel and like our video. So thanks for watching. Do subscribe to our channel, like our video. Thank you.